Hello there, fellow aspiring programmers. Welcome to the first mini C++ tutorial. So in this first tutorial, I'm going to go over the most basic and the first program you'll probably ever learn, never write in any programming language, and that is the Hello World program. So to begin with, let me go ahead and analyze this code here. With this first line, it says include IO string. This is including the input and output library in the standard library in C++. This is used for inputs and outputs, or reading and displaying input and output to the computer. Anyway, the next line is going to be int main. This is going to initialize the main function in your program. This is going to be in almost every C++ program. It's going to be the entry point to all your code, where all your code is going to start to run. And for the next line, we have std cout hello world and std end. This basically tells the computer to print hello world to the screen, and then it tells it to print a new line as the std end. And then finally, we have the return statement, which is going to return 0, which tells the program that essentially the program ran successfully. And in the next tutorial, we're going to be going over variables. So make sure you like and subscribe, and if you go ahead and get ready to see our next tutorial. And to prove that this does indeed work, I'm going to go ahead and run this here, and as you can see, it says hello world, like I said.